YouTube tells us that 43.1% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, today we are going to do the reading for the month of January 2021. We have 3 piles in front of you, pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. You can make your selections, whichever pile you are most drawn to, or you can check the comment box for the timestamps. So I hope by now you must have made your selections. This reading is for the month of January, detailed 2021. So I'm keeping pile number 2 aside for now. Pile number 3 also we are going to keep it aside. So this is pile number 1. This is pile number 1 and we are going to proceed with the reading for all of my friends who've selected pile number 1 for year 2000 for the month of 2021 January. So dear friends, in the position of your overall energy of the month we have the Hanged Man, along with the card of spiritual love, grapes, time to go out and have fun. Time to go out and have fun. So dear friends, your overall energy as the Hanged Man tells me that in the month of January you are again being called to have some patience. This is the month wherein you are being called to be more sacrificing. You have to give more than you take. In this month, I feel for many of you it is going to be a very good idea to start yoga practice, meditation practice, to look at your situation and the situation around you with a different perspective. I am sensing already, dear friends, just as I connected to your energy, I've started feeling very drained. So I feel that my people who have selected pile number 1 are already waiting for something to happen in their life. All through the year of 2020, I feel that you've been waiting for some change to happen. And now that you enter January 2021, you are now getting tired and feeling that when is this change going to occur into your life. But dear friend, the Hanged Man card says that patience is going to pay in your life, and for this month most recommended for you is to let things go. Things that are not in your control, just release them. And spiritual love, for many of my friends, this card can indicate love with the divine. As you can see, the Hanged Man person, as such, the image feels as if someone is doing yoga. So it is possible that many of you open your crown chakra and connect with divine. So it is time for spiritual love as well. If you feel stuck in a situation that is like a limbo, there is no movement, then the angels are suggesting that it is time to go out and have fun. So basically you are being advised to do some kind of an activity which takes you out into nature, which helps you to connect with divine. Yes. So moving on to the first week of January, the week commencing from 1st of January 2021 to 7th of January 2021, your energies are that of the 7 of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles card again tells me that you are in this week, you are going to put a lot of hard work into your work, into your love relationships, maybe with the family. Whatever you are doing, you are putting in a lot of hard work, you are persevering through, but there is a kind of feeling throughout the week that you have been putting so much efforts, but where are the rewards? The card tells me clearly that you have sown your seeds very well and the rewards are sure to come to you. So here alongside we have a card which says throne, position of authority. So dear friends, if there is a position of authority that you are awaiting in your work area, or or it can be also for some of the females who are pregnant, and for the some of the males who are expecting to become parents. They are waiting on the childbirth and have got tired of the waiting period. This position of throne, position of authority is going to come to you in the month of May. So there is going to be the fruits of your hard work are going to come to you in the month of May. So this Hanged Man energy, what you were waiting for, it can be in a love scenario also. If you are waiting for a confirmation for your marriage or a commitment, it can happen for you in the month of May. Some kind of position in authority, some kind of upgrade, some kind of appreciation that you have been waiting for which you were putting your hard work in finance. If with regard to finances also, it is possible that you made a certain investment, you started working on some kind of a property or a building or a business, and this position, the returns of this investments are going to come to you in the month of May. So all in all, your first week, you are doing a lot of hard work, you are persevering, you are doing very well, you are grounded, you are absolutely giving your 200% in whichever area of your life you are wishing this growth. But the only thing you have to work on is your negative thought pattern, wherein you are thinking that, I am putting in so much effort and I won't be paid for it. So here the angels are already giving you the month of May 2021, and that your rewards are going to come in this month. So dear friends, you are being suggested to go out and have some fun and do some meditation, yoga practices in the first week. In the second week, dear friends, the week that is commencing from the 7th of January, moving into 14th of January 2021, your energies are that of the Two of Rods. So Two of Rods energies, dear friends, now tells me that you are feeling well balanced in your chakras now. In the second week, you are feeling a lot more energized. You are planning for your expansion. You have 2 more people by your side who are helping you with your burdens. And for some of you, some kind of a partnership can come in, and for some of you, you can look for avenues of expansion with some partners who are coming in towards you in the second week of January. And here, dear friends, there's a very beautiful card which says money path. The path with money is waiting for you to find it. Yes. So in the second week of January, dear friends, I feel that you are going to, for many of you in your work areas, it is possible that you put your CVs out to the people in other countries as well, for expansion, for movement, for travel, for getting job into new countries or states. And yes, these opportunities can manifest for you, as the card over here says a path with money is waiting for you to find it. Some of you are going to plan your travel during this time frame for the business purposes or expansion purposes, and for the others who are looking for a relationship expansion, also might be you are putting your curriculum out on internet somewhere, on matrimony sites, and you are approaching people outside your country and state, and some kind of an an investment, some kind of a benefit that you were looking for, you are now going to expand your horizons for that particular benefit, and you are getting to hear from like-minded people with whom your partnerships are going to work. Yes, this is beautiful. So dear friends, the zodiac signs which I feel most evident are Taurus, Libra, Gemini, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Aries, Aquarius. Yes. In the third week, dear friends, your energies get even better. Now you have the energy of the Queen of Rods in the third week, that is the week that will commence from 14th of January until 21st of January 2021. So in this time frame, you have now decided to take the command of your career, your relationships, your situation into your hand. Whatever it was that was making you feel like you are stuck in a situation, now you will take the magic wand in your hand and you will decide to move this situation on your own. And you are becoming very beautiful, very handsome, very charismatic, very charming, and you are approaching a lot many people, and you are doing everything and anything to take yourself out of this limbo kind of a state. Many of you have are healers, and you are going to start your healing work in the third week. Your healing work, spiritual healing work, is going to be more activated. So here they say, there's a card which says, do not be tempted to lower your standards. Flag, do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yes, dear friends, in order to manifest your desire, whatever it is, where you want to make a move from your stagnant situations, the angels are telling you that you should have self-respect. You should first give yourself love and then expect others to love you. So please do not lower your standards. If there is a job, there is a career, there is a business opportunity approaching you, you should well know your worth, and you should give your whatever your demands are, you should put them in front of them with grace, and they will be accepted. Do not be tempted to lower your standards just because you were stagnant in a certain kind of an energy for year 2020. Don't think that you have to lower your standards and accept anything that is being offered to you. Another thing which I feel in this pile is somewhere that these people, my pile number 1, is suffering a lot through the burdens of their family. Also, they are going through a heartbreak wherein they are putting a lot of effort towards their partners, towards their in-laws, towards the family relationships, extended families. In year 2020, they have done a lot of hard work, and they are just feeling that when is the situation going to end? When are they going to come out of this kind of a situation where there is so much giving and no receiving. So in the second and third week, I see them trying to come out of this situation. They are heartbroken, but in the second, third week, I feel that they will start to take healings for their heart chakra, and somewhere they are recovering, and now they are taking the charge of their life. Yes. In the last week, dear friends, we see the energy of 5 of Pentacles. The week that is commencing from 21st of January until the end of January 2020. And alongside we have Tiger doing something risky, taking a chance. Okay. So in the last week, dear friends, the energy of 5 of Pentacles tells me that there is a certain situation wherein you are feeling some kind of a lack. Either the opportunities that are coming towards you are showing you some kind of financial lack, or it is that your own situation is such that you are feeling some kind of financial lack. It is also possible in the last week there is a situation wherein you feel some kind of a lack in your relationship, wherein you feel left out by your partners, your parents, your love partner, your friends, families, or you have a situation around your parents who are not well. There's some kind of a health situation that you or somebody around you is facing. And here there is a card which says doing something risky, taking a chance. It is also possible that here we see you doing something towards this money path, and wherein you are being asked not to get tempted to lower your standards. There is something risky, I feel, with the Two of Rods or Queen of Rods that you think that you need to pursue in life to shake yourself from this limbo status. And it is possible that you are not getting support from your family, your partner, your children. So it is possible that during this last week you feel some kind of lack of support. Now, dear friends, we are going to see your guidance messages. So we have a card, the War of Roses. Six of Roses, the War of Roses. Here, dear friends, we can see that two armies are ready to fight with each other, and this card is representative of some kind of a conflict in the family. So dear friends, it is possible that whatever money path you are choosing, or whatever you are choosing to do in the month of January 2021 for yourself, you can have a conflicting environment situation with your family, your partner. But dear friends, I feel that you need to take this command into your hand, and by doing meditations you are going to find all the answers within yourself. You are not supposed to listen to the other people around you who are not understanding your journey. And so in order to overcome this conflict, you need to do more of meditation. We have a builder card here which says your innate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. Yes, dear friends, this is your life purpose. This card tells me that your life purpose is to build something for yourself. You are not created to do jobs for other people. Most probably you are somebody who either you can be into a builder business of buildings, or it is a guidance from the universe that you have that creativity, you have that power within you to build a business or a profession of yourself for yourself. You can build an army to fight for you, dear friends. Yes, you have this capability. So look deep within. You can be a spiritual healer who is not being supported by other people around. So you have it in yourself to build your own career. Goddess. Express your divine feminine energy, embracing its magical intuition and nurturing qualities. So dear friends, this card clearly tells me that you need to work on your divine feminine energy, which is your lower chakras. You need to take healing for your root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, and especially your sacral chakra, which is going to help you enhance your creativity. And as you will work on your divine feminine, you are going to see how magically you are going to come out of this status of being like a hanged man. Your divine masculine is well balanced, but you have to balance it with your divine feminine. All of us have divine feminine and divine masculine. Your upper chakras are being more active than your lower chakras, dear friends. So you also can get this help from goddesses Lakshmi, Earth, Mother Gaia. You tell Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, Goddess Lakshmi to help you balance your divine feminine. And there are some exercises which can help you in balancing your divine feminine. One very important and very easy one is to dance. Another one is to do yoga. This is how you open your lower chakras and balance them. Instinct. Yes, dear friends, just as I was telling you, your upper chakras, divine masculine, is very well balanced. Instinct card tells me that your crown chakra and your third eye chakra is very well activated, and you are getting intuitions, instinctive messages from the divine regarding how to solve this conflicting situation in your family where you feel stuck. And dear friends, very important for all of you is to do yoga and meditation during this month of January. And you need to go out into the nature, connect with Mother Earth, and you are going to get messages. It is also possible that a dog or a certain spirit animal is giving you intuitions, guidance messages in the month of January. Write about your thoughts and feelings. Yes, dear friends, if there is a situation you feel stuck in wherein you cannot express yourself to your family members, to your company people, to anybody, Archangel Michael is saying that you can release these blockages from your throat chakra by writing your thoughts and feelings about this sad situation onto a piece of paper. And this is how you are going to make your you are going to release the negative blockages or the negative thinking that you are having in your mind regarding these feelings, and you can write them down on the paper, and this is how you will release it to the universe, and then you can burn this paper or throw this paper. So there are situations at times when we are not being able to express ourselves to our near and dear ones, but we are very disturbed and we feel how to get rid of this situation. Even I am not being able to speak, but when we don't speak, then we block our throat chakra. So this is the way how you can release your negative emotions. You can write them down on the paper and burn them. Past life relationship. Yes, dear friends, you have known each other before. For many of you, the situation that you are stuck in and you feel why this situation is happening with you is because you had a certain business in the sense you had a certain interaction. You know this person from past life, and if this person is being of difficulty for you in this lifetime, then dear friends, know it well that you have done something wrong to them in your past life, and so this person has come back into your life again to take some kind of neutralize the effect or to balance out what you did with them. In a general way also, it is possible that you meet somebody in as your lover or a soulmate connection, and you are feeling very drawn to this person and you wish to know what is your connection with them, and so the angel is saying that you have met them in past life. For many of you, it is possible that there is some kind of a financial transaction which has got stuck with a person, and now you are feeling why this thing happened, why you gave them money and got stuck with them. This has happened because you had to repay them in your past life, and so this person has come in this life to take that money from you. Have faith in your dreams. Yes, dear angels, dear friends, angels and universe is communicating to you through dreams. So in the month of January, pay special attention to the dreams that you see, and you will be guided in your dreams. Improving health. This is a good sign. In the month of January 2021, you are going to be improving your health, going into the nature. Great. Attracting, not chasing. Yes, dear friends, whatever you want to attract towards you, whether it is money, whether it is good relationship, whether it is a job, business, profession, whether it is good health or people popularity, the card says anything or anyone you chase after will run the other way because of the fear underlining chasing energy. Instead, attract what you need by sending out love, gratitude and welcoming energy. So great, dear friends, do not chase, do not go after the person, chasing them, do not go after the money or job, chasing them, like, giving a negative energy. On the contrary, if you will work on yourself, if you will give yourself love and make yourself, work on yourself, make yourself more capable for a certain job or more attractive or any which way, working on yourself, you are going to attract it naturally towards yourself. The loving woman in reverse, dear friends. So yes, for this pile, I feel some of you can be a very loving woman. It is possible that some of you had a very big heart. You were a very loving woman. But in year 2020, you have suffered a lot and people have been taking from you. Your cup is totally empty and now you have started giving out of your energy. So now you have decided that you are going to take care of yourself now, and you have decided not to give beyond you to people, which is good in a way. Other people are feeling that this was a very loving woman and what is wrong with her. But dear friends, I feel that some of you have started taking care of yourself, which is very important because your cup has to be filled first and then only you can pour from that cup for other people. So and in a relationship for a male, it is possible that they feel that the woman who was loving around them has suddenly changed, is not paying attention towards them, and there can be a past life relationship you had with this person and you were too demanding on them, and so this is a karma. This is a result of the karma that this situation is happening in your life. For some of you, it is also possible that there is a loving woman, there is a woman around you who is not at all a loving woman, who is a cunning woman in your family. It can be somebody who is very cunning, who is causing you a lot of pain, who is draining your energy. So you are being suggested to stay away, cut your cords with this woman who is not loving at all. Environment. Yes, dear friends, another card which suggests that you can heal in the month of January if you change your environment. Either you plan some kind of a holiday for yourself or you can go out in nature. Environment is going to be very healing for you. A blessing on the senses, the gift the word to you. Yes, dear friends, this blessing is coming to you. A blessing on the senses tells me that all your sensory organs are going to be blessed. This can be for many of my friends who are spiritual healers, that they become clairsentient and they sense the energies in their skin, they smell. While the healing, the smelling sensation becomes more more, and they become, some of you are going to become clairaudient, clairsentient, clairvoyant in the month of January 2021. When you are going to give healings to people, you are going to sense their energy. The connection is going to be very strong as well. When you will receive healings, maybe you receive healings from our YouTube channel, you are going to sense the energy very well. Your sensory organs are going to be more activated in the month of January 2021. So dear friends, everyone who chose pile number 1, I just want to tell you people that this month shall pass. What is most important for you in this month is to do meditation, because you need to release a lot. It is possible that you are taking healings already from our channel on YouTube, and there's a lot that you need to release from your chakras, and the month of January is helping you in making this release from your body. So keep taking your healings, dear friends. I wish you all the best. Make the best of the month. Everything is in our hands. Eventually our positive thoughts and energy can help us attract best of the things towards us. So I wish you all the best, dear friends. Lots of love and best wishes to all my friends who chose pile number 1 for the month of January 2021. This is pile number 2, and everyone who chose pile number 2 for the month of January 2021, we are going to see your detailed energies for the whole month of January 2021. So dear friends, your energy vibration for all of the month of January 2021 is that of the King of Pentacles. Very, very beautiful grounding energy. You are going to be absolutely feeling in control of your work, your relationship, your position in the month of January. You are going to feel very stable. You are going to feel financially abundant. You are going to do all your routine tasks beautifully. It is also possible, dear friends, that an opportunity of financial abundance comes to you in the month of January 2021. Very promising card. King of Pentacle can also represent an earth sign person who is a Capricorn, Taurus, or Gemini also, they are telling me, and Virgo, who brings an opportunity of financial upgrade towards you. Very, very beautiful energy, dear friends. Okay, dear friends, there is a card which says success. This is going to be a month of success for you. Very grounded energy. There is nothing that can shake you in this month. To tell you the truth, dear friends, out of all of the energy vibrations of the deck of 78 cards, King of Pentacles is the energy that I wish to be every day. This is the most stable energy wherein your mind, body and soul is absolutely in control. I love this energy, dear friends. To be in this energy for the month of January 2021, I can say blissful. Your year 2021 is made wonderful. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Yes, I feel that this was your energy in year 2020, and you have taken your healings, or maybe you are already taking healings from our YouTube channel, and now you have come into this very stable energy, or it is possible that some kind of an offer is coming to you which is going to bring a lot of success and stability towards you in the month of January 2021. So starting with the first week of January 2021, dear friends, the week that commenced from 1st of January 2021 until the 7th of January 2001, You have the card of the Fool. Wonderful, dear friends. The Fool is a card of new beginning, happy spirit, childlike innocence, and enjoying yourself. So in the first week, either there is something that you are going to start new. It can be with regard to your relationship, with regard to your career, business, profession, or with regard to your health, some kind of exercising regime or something that you're going to start, or with your spirituality. There is something new that you are starting, and in this week you're going to feel like a very light hearted spirit, like that of a child. You have released a lot many blockages from your body. It is possible, yes, it is definitely possible that you were taking healings and you're feeling very light-hearted, like that of a child. So in the first week of January, I feel the energy is going to be very light, and there is not much to you're feeling light, you're enjoying yourself. That is the kind of energy. It can also be the energy of a child around you, or it is possible that there is a childbirth in the family, or children are coming, you're connecting with the child, or there is a pet dog in the family who is making you feel very lively. Then there is a card which says Veil, great worry over nothing. So it is possible that in past you had great worry over nothing, and so now you are coming out of these negative energies and feeling very childlike, free spirited. Someone will try to make you do something against your will. Okay, so in the first week, just be careful, dear friends. It is possible that someone around you is trying to make you do something which is against your will. So now that you know it in the cards, be careful, and I think you're going to have some worry regarding this situation. But what the universe is saying, that you just have a carefree attitude, ignore these people, don't listen to them, don't do what they are asking you to do, and then you don't have to have any worry also. Say no to these people. So overall, first week is going to be very happy-go-lucky week for you. It is also for some people, it is possible that somebody is entering your life with a very casual relationship. Yes, over here someone will try to make you do something against your will. Okay, it is possible that the partner who is entering your life is not ready for any kind of commitment, but this person is asking for some kind of a sexual relationship with you, and so you have a great worry. So you do not have to give in to the wishes of this person who is having a carefree attitude and who is not willing for any commitment. Be careful with regard to this aspect. In the second week, dear friends, the week that commences from 7th of January until the 14th of January 2021, you have the energies of the High Priestess. The High Priestess energies tell me, dear friends, that you are going to be very intuitive. In this week, it is also possible that there is a certain secret which you want to keep with yourself, or there is a certain secret that reveals to you in the second week. High Priestess is also suggestive of a secret love for somebody, and here they say beware of self-delusion. Yes, so in a love relationship, I feel that you have to be very much aware of this secret indulgence that you are having with this carefree attitude person. If you are falling in love with this carefree attitude person, be careful in the month of January. High Priestess energy also talks about education, educating yourself, upgrading yourself, intuitive connection with the moon energy, reading cards, giving healings. But in this second week, just be very aware of your self-delusions, dear friends. The devil who is sitting inside of you. Yes. So this is a very good week. Second week is very good week for lawyers, for teachers, for intuitive people. This is a very good week, because your intuition is going to be very high in the second week. it is possible that you have some kind of a connection with your secret love that is happening in the second week. For some people, some kind of a relationship that was secret that your partner was having with someone else can be revealed in the second week. Yes, that's what I'm getting. In the third week, dear friends, Justice. Very, very strong card. The week that is commencing from 14th of January moving on to 21st of January, we have the Justice card along with dealing or relationship with an older man. Justice card, dear friends, tells me that whatever you gave in a particular situation is what you are going to get back in the third week of January 2021. So if you were fair in your dealings with a certain person, situation, then you are going to get a fair deal. Karma is going to pay you back for whatever you did. There is going to be a dealing with an older man. Now this older man can be your husband also. It is possible that Justice talks about a court case and you are wishing a divorce from this man, and so the King of Pentacles tells me that this court case can be successful and you are being able to get some kind of financial benefit from this separation. And for other people, this can be some kind of a case that, of course, they were fighting, might be for their properties or some kind of a dealing they were having with an older man or relationship with a man, this justice that they were looking for, and this comes to them, this karmatic reward comes to them in the third week. And if you have been a wrong person, you did something wrong to an older man, then you have to pay for it in the third week of January 2021. So this is evident. This can be some kind of a legal documentation in the company also that you are having. Maybe you are doing some kind of a documentation, a dealing with a business dealing with an older person. It is going to be significant. This man is going to be significant to you in the third week. Yes, some kind of paperwork is very evident during the third week of January for you. This is a major month for anybody who chose pile number 2. Pile number 2, definitely month of January 2021 is very, very important month for you. One of the most important month in the year 2021, because right away we have the 3 major arcanas in 3 weeks. And then we have the card of the 10 of Pentacles, dear friends, a beautiful, blissful card of abundance in the last week of January 2021. The week commencing from 21st of January, moving on to the end of January. 10 of Pentacles, dear friends, is a card of absolute abundance, a blissful family life. So a lot of money is coming to you. Yes, definitely. For many people, it can be through heredity that you are being blessed. It can be through a certain property that is coming in your favor. It can be through a divorce settlement that is happening in your favor. Yes, dear friends, the card says success assured with good plans and hard work. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. So, dear friends, month of January 2021, very, very significant, important month for you, wherein a lot of financial abundance definitely coming towards you. As well, in the last week, you are going to have some kind of a celebration with your family, near and dear ones. You're loving it. You can be with your parents, your children. There can be a childbirth in the family as well in the last week. Beautiful. There can be a raise in your work, profession, business. Some kind of a financial benefit is coming to you with through this contract that is happening. It is also possible some people are getting married. Court marriage is happening for some people. in the 3rd week, and they are enjoying this marital bliss in the 4th week of January 2021. Wonderful, very, very important month of year 2021 for my pile number 2. Dear friends, we have a card of victim here. So this is a heart chakra card, and I feel that many of you have felt like a victim in your past. You need to take heart chakra healings from our YouTube channel to come out of the mentality of feeling like that of a victim. Okay, and it is possible that in past you have been used by many people, and so you feel like a victim, but this kind of a negative energy will not help you manifest miracles in your life. So you need to take heart chakra healings, dear friends. Please take heart chakra 10 minutes heart chakra healing. I will also attach the link of this healing in the comment box below. You can take this healing for your benefit. Effort, yes, my dear friends, in the month of January 2021, all your efforts are going to be paid back and you're going to get your karmic rewards. Queen of Forces, yes, dear friends, in this card again I feel that all your chakras are getting balanced. All you have to work is only on your heart chakra, and with this divine masculine feminine balance, I see that the universal forces are connecting to manifest abundance into your life, and you are getting absolute mental clarity, intuitive messages from divine in the month of January 2021. Codependency, dear friends, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Yes, dear friends, if you are addicted to some kind of food, might be alcohol or smoking or drugs, that is affecting your romantic life. It is also possible that you have sexual addictions, and because of that you are being codependent on your partner. Work on this, work on your sacral chakra to get rid of addictions, dear friends. I will also attach a link of sacral chakra healing along with your heart chakra healings. You are being too much dependent on your partner. Now it can be your married partner with whom you are taking divorce, or it can be your secret love partner who is now starting to use you, this uncommitted partner. Come out of this codependency and become independent. Don't let your past hold you back. Wow. Yes, dear friends, in the month of January, you need to release all that was negative holding you back in your past, and you have to move forward with the new year. Move forward and don't let your past hold you back. Pay attention to your dreams. Dear friends, you are being guided by the angelic realm in your dreams, so you can write down whatever messages, whatever you see in your dreams. You should journal it down very fast so that you remember the messages that the angels are giving to you in the dreams. Body work. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy, or exercise training. So for many of you, if there is something you want to start new in the month of January 2021, the angels are telling you that your life purpose involves some kind of body work. Either you can become energy healers, like you can give healings like Reiki, pranic healing. You can become a doctor, a psychiatrist as well. You can become an exercise trainer. You can open a gym of your own, a physical therapist, or a massage, somebody who does massage therapy also. These are your life purposes. This can help you also in even if you don't pursue as a career, some kind of a body work is going to help enhancing your energy. You can take healings to enhance your energy, or if you want to make your life purpose as your career, these are the areas wherein you are going to benefit. Some of you are being suggested to do exercising. Emotional sensitivity. Yes, dear friends, this is again connected with this sacral chakra, this your codependency. They say honor and respect your deep sensitivity as it is a gift to us all. Yes. So how you can honor and respect your emotional sensitivity? If you have ever felt victim or you need to cry, shedding tears is good. You don't have to feel shame when people say that you are always crying. Crying is good because crying helps us release our negative energies, and you are an emotionally sensitive person who feels the pain for other people also, and this is your asset. You can be one of the healers for your life purpose can be to become a healer for other people as well. So you should be proud of your emotional sensitivity and just work on your sacral chakra and heart chakra to enhance your powers. Yes, wonderful, dear friends. Yes. So if there was a question that you were looking a clear yes no answer from divine, the answer is a yes from the universe. And dear friends, in this card you can see a baby. If some of you have this question on your mind, whether I will be able to have a child of my own, the answer from the universe is a yes. You just need to heal your sacral chakra and your heart chakra and you will have a child of your own. Dear Archangel Raphael, please help me trust my feelings as the accurate barometer of truth. Wonderful, dear friends. The answer from the universe is a yes for you. You can have a child of your own, or if it was a relationship question, you were looking for a yes no answer, you get a yes from the universe. For a career, job, professional question, for a health question, spirituality, yes for you, dear friends. Wonderful. Block out distractions. Okay, so what you have to do is, in order to become like this King of Pentacles, become grounded and concentrate on your work, whichever area in your life, they say block out your distractions. So they say your life purpose and other priorities need your undivided attention. Wonderful. So it's time for you to take charge of your schedule and working environment by turning off electronics and avoiding anyone or anything that distracts you from what's important. Wonderful. This is like your codependency on your electronic items also, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, always, distracting you, taking away your time. You already know what these distractions are and you have the power to responsibly block them out. Wonderful. Dear friends, this is a clear message from divine to you. Pay attention in the month of January on your life purpose. Whatever your life purpose you have started pursuing now in the month of January, pay special attention to that and block out all your distractions. You know it very well. Most of the time people are just on these social medias wasting their time. So this is very important message for you. Be careful, dear friends. Wonderful. So you have a blessing of forgiveness in the month of January 2021. It is possible that you did something wrong to a person and that person is finally forgiving you. Can be your old partner also, and you have a blessing of forgiveness, or it is possible that you can also forgive someone else. You are becoming more wise, so you can also take our healing for forgiveness and letting go. That also I will attach, but there's a blessing of forgiveness that is coming towards you, which is very beautiful, dear friends. Yes, wonderful. Last but not the least, dear friends, great gratitude. Please give gratitude for all the blessings, financial abundance that is coming towards you in the month of January 2021, the first month of the year, which is a very, very major month for you. Make a list of 5 to 10 things that you are grateful for to the universe and give gratitude to divine God, universe, as well to the people who are helping you manifest a lot of abundance and happiness in your life. So so dear friends, I wish you all the best, all of my pile number 2 people. This is a very, very important month for you. A lot of abundance, stability and grounding is going to happen for you. I feel for many of you, your root chakra is getting healed, and so you are able to bring your manifestations, your desires that were there in your upper chakras. You are now being able to bring it down into reality, which is very, very good. And the only thing that you need to do is take some sacral chakra, heart chakra healing, as well take some healing for forgiveness and letting go. Or it is possible that you were already taking healings for forgiveness and letting go, and that you have been blessed for. So I wish you all the best, dear friends. Lots of love. This is pile number 3, and all my friends who chose pile number 3 for the month of January 2021, now we are going to see your energies, extended detailed energies for all of the month of January 2021 for you. Wow, amazing. Oh wow, dear friends, everyone who chose pile number 3, your overall energy for the month of January 2021 is that of the 9 of Cups. Wow! 9 of Cups, dear friends, as we all know by now, is a card of wish fulfillment. This is a card of absolute bliss, satisfaction, content, joy, happiness, and a bit of weight gain also. So you better start taking that healing for losing weight, because you're going to gain weight in the month of January 2021. I see all your cups filled of joy. What is happening for my pile number 3 people is that a certain wish is being granted for them. Your heart chakra is healed, your sacral chakra is healing, your heart chakra is healing, and you're feeling blissful. Something is happening around you in the month of January 2021 that you're feeling very happy, contented and satisfied with your life. And so there is a card, wow, wonderful, which says money will be coming to you. Oh my God, look at this, gold coins. So for few of my friends, money will be coming to you in the month of January 2021, and so you're feeling very satisfied. Wow, wonderful. So it is possible that some kind of an opportunity comes to you of financial benefit. It can be heredity money, or it can be a kind of a job offer, or maybe you are buying some gold coins, somebody is gifting you jewelry. Something is happening in your life wherein money is coming towards you. I feel this is like more like your lower chakras balancing, stability coming towards you. You are feeling happy and healthy within your body, within the place you are staying, within your home, within the environment. There is a lot of satisfaction and content around you. Beautiful energy for the entire month of January 2021 for you. Enjoy. First week of January, commencing from 1st of January 2021 until the 7th of January 2021, dear friends, the card of Judgment. Wonderful. Major Arcana heading into the year of 2021 with a Major Arcana Judgment card tells me that the angels are going to give you your karmatic rewards. You are going to hear your judgment finally from the universe in the month of January. If you have been waiting for long in 2020, there is going to be a rebirth that is going to happen for you. Your energies are going to be like as if you are rising from the ashes now, as if you're having a new birth in the year 2021. This is very beautiful. There can be a situation which you always wanted to manifest for you in life, and you get a second chance in the first week of January 2021. It is possible that a certain situation occurs into your life which has happened before, but at that particular time you were not experienced enough, and so you could not manifest that in a positive way. And now that particular situation, it can be a reunion of lovers. It can be a certain job, career, profession, business opportunity which comes back to you, which you have always wished for yourself, comes to you in the first week of January. Some kind of a reconciliation, and as well in the first week of January you are re-evaluating your situations. It can be in a love relationship, you are re-evaluating your situation with your partner, or in a company that you are working for, the business, the profession, you are re-evaluating whether you should continue here or change. So from the starting of the month of January only, you are re-evaluating a lot many scenarios in your life. Then we have a card of the dog, protection from a powerful friend. Wow, in the first week, dear friends. So it is possible that you already have a dog as your pet who is protecting you from all of the negative forces around you. Or you bring a dog as a pet into your house in the first week of January, or the dog can be symbolic of a very powerful friend or a family person, a brother, sister, sibling, or anybody in your family or your friend circle who is very powerful, who is giving you very wise advice with regard to this situation of re-evaluation that you are having. Or it is possible that there is a second chance that you are getting from this friend of yours to manifest for you in a big way a wish fulfillment in the first week of January 2021 for many of my friends. Moving on to the second week of January 2021, dear friends, it gets even better. The week that is commencing from 7th of January until the 14th of January 2021, dear friends, the star card. The star card is the card of healing, the card of... This is a major arcana wish fulfillment card. This is a minor arcana wish fulfillment card. So definitely, dear friends, in the month of January 2021, one of your major wish is being granted just as you enter the year 2020. Star card tells me there is a lot of hope, inspiration for you, and a wish is being granted to you as a reward of your great karmas in the second week of January 2021. Alongside, we have a card of the Page of Cups. So the Page of Cups tells me that there can be a creative idea, something very creative that you always wish to do for yourself, and an offer of a surprise comes to you. It is possible from a very powerful friend or a family member, somebody. You get a second chance to do this creativity or this job, this profession, business, whatever you wanted to create. You get this opportunity to do it for yourself in the second week. You're very creative, you're healing, your heart chakra is absolutely healing, or might be I can say is healed in the second week. For some people, you will have to shed your tears also, because when the healing of the heart chakra happens, you shed your tears to release your pains. Yes. There can be a birth of child happening in a family in the second week for many of my friends. Yes, which is a pleasant surprise. For some of my friends, you can, there is a person you are having infatuation towards, or a person is coming with an offer of love who is infatuated towards you in the second week of January 2021. For many of my friends who were looking for love and relationship, there is some kind of butterflies in the stomach happening, a lot of infatuation happening, a lot of healing and happiness. You're feeling like, like a child, like a teenager kind of an energy. You're falling for somebody is falling for you. Or in the second week, there is an offer of foreign travel which is coming, which is going to bring you a lot of money, opportunity of money manifestation also. So here they say you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. So for many of my friends, you are on the right path. I feel regarding the healings that you were taking, or the healings that my spiritual friends are giving, you're on the right path. And also here the universe is confirming that this second chance that you're getting, the rebirth, the creativity, the whatever surprise offer the universe is giving you, you can go for it, because you're on the right path with regard to a certain aspect of your life, they say. Okay. As well, there is a card which says Apple temptation will test you. So in the second week of January, it is possible that some of you were really working on your body, your exercising regime, your food, your diet, but in the second week you are giving into temptations and you're eating unhealthy food. So there's a warning over here. And for others, there can be a warning that there is some kind of an infatuation that is happening. This is a warning for some of the people who are already in a committed relationship. So be careful, because on a certain aspect in your life, you're on a right path. So the angels are saying that you're a very person of good morals. Don't get infatuated for the looks of somebody. Be on your path of healing. Be on your path of good morals. So moving on to the third week, dear friends, we have the card of the Five of Swords. Five of Swords, dear friends. Okay. Along with the card where they say, time to get out of a situation. Okay. Birth or conception of a child or an enterprise. Yes, so this is like from the second week to third week, some kind of conflicting thoughts are happening, and there is a card of marriage also over here, dear friends. So something big is manifesting in your life. All the three areas they have hinted on. One is the birth or conception of a child, another is your marriage, and the third one is some kind of an offer regarding wealth also coming towards you. In the third week, what is happening with the Five of Swords, I feel that there is a lot of conflict happening within your mind. There are ego clashes. Either it is happening in your married life regarding a certain issue. Now this can be regarding the work that you are going to pursue, the evaluation that you were doing regarding your work, your creativity, or the relationship. Or for in a very rare case, for some people I feel who were wishing to have a childbirth, in the third week they are thinking of going under knife to have an IUV or what is it, like IVF. Yes, IUF or IVF done for themselves, which can help them in the conception of the child. For other people, there is some kind of an argumentation, some kind of ego fight that you are having with your parents either, or with your spouse or partner or somebody around you regarding this new enterprise that you are wishing to give birth to. But dear friends, you are on the right path regarding this aspect of your life, and so the angels suggest that they are saying it is time to get out of a situation. So it is time to get out of this ego based situation or a relationship that you are having with a person, and go in for a person relationship or a work scenario wherein you have people operating from love, not from ego. There is possibility that for some of my friends, in the third week in your marriage, you are having some kind of egoistic conflicts with your partner or your in-laws. I'd suggest that keep your ego aside, take some healings for your solar plexus chakra and balance your solar plexus chakra so that you're able to operate from heart chakra, operate from love. Yes. Wonderful, dear friends. Your card for the last week is the Six of Rods. Wow, Six of Rods, dear friends, is the card of the victory, success, name, fame, recognition. This is also, I also consider this card as a card of marriage, some kind of an upgrade in your status, lot of public recognition, So in the fourth week, that is the week commencing from 21st of January until the end of January 2021, you are going to feel a lot of success is coming towards you. Some kind of an elevation in your status, name, fame, recognition is coming. People are looking up to you. Alongside, we have the card of the Nine of Swords. So it is possible that some of you are having in a relationship, some of you are having stresses with regard to this marriage settlement or the opportunity of upliftment success that is having. Sometimes when we are gaining some kind of recognition, we also start to have anxiety. So this Nine of Swords is a card of anxiety, having sleepless nights, having headaches. It is also possible that half of the week, somewhere in the week, you have headache also. So you can take the third eye chakra healing. Crown chakra and third eye chakra healing is going to help you out in this situation, will help you give the clarity of mind. If you are having negative thoughts with regard to the situation, whether you are going to get your success, your reward, your name, fame, recognition, yes, you are going to get it. So please come out of this negative thought pattern. We have a card of happiness alongside. In this week, yes, definitely happiness awaits you by the end of January 2021. And then, dear friends, deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Yeah, wow. So there is definite success for you, dear friends, in the last week of January 2021. This is a very beautiful month for you, dear friends. Lot of satisfaction, wish fulfillment and success in your endeavors. In your health, you are going to see improvement. See, we have a beautiful card which says self-worth. Yes, your sacral chakra is absolutely healed and you are self-worth, along with the card of the Six of Rods. You are seeing your own worth. You are being given a position of authority, name, fame, recognition, high status, marriage, childbirth. All is indicated with this. Your sacral chakra is healed. Beautiful. Suggestion for you from the health angels is the detoxification. So dear friends, take our healings, moon healings, to detoxify your body. I'm going to put a link. So they say, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for cleaning up my body, mind and life so that I may happily and helpfully live free of chemicals. It is also a hint for you to detoxify your food, your beverages, give up on your caffeine, give up on your alcohol, your smoking habits, and detoxify your body. Eat more of raw food, fresh fruits, vegetables, soups, juices, lot of water to detoxify. Take our healings from our Healing Soul YouTube channel and detoxify your body. Music, dear friends, is going to be very healing for you. Music again, you see the color is orange. Music also helps us heal our sacral chakra. So listening to good music is going to be very helpful for you to feel satisfied, content, happy, and in order for you to manifest your greatest desires in the month of 2021 January. It is also possible that some of you want to become musicians, or some of you had this desire of joining music classes, or to become singers, or to play a certain instrument. You please join these classes and pursue music. Hilarion. So dear friends, this card tells me that Ascendant Master Hilarion is with you in the month of January 2021. Ascendant Master Hilarion helps you in the manifestation of changes in your life. So if there is a particular change that you are wishing for yourself, call upon Ascendant Master Hilarion, who is absolutely going to help you in manifestation of a change into your life. If you are a spiritual healer, in your spiritual healings, in your card readings, Ascendant Master Hilarion is going to help you. It is safe for you to love. So dear friends, if you had this a kind of a doubt in your mind regarding a person who was entering your life, whether I should fall in love with this person, or whether is it going to be safe, or this person is going to be like my exes who is going to break my heart. So there is a confirmation from divine that open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Also, I feel that you have already opened your heart chakra is already healing, and so if you can open your heart towards the new community, people, friends, your partner, and it is safe for you to love the person you have on your mind. Beautiful. Self-respect. Yes, dear friends, the more you respect yourself, the more you create way for others to respect you too. You are going to set the boundaries for yourself. If there are people in your family, in your friend circle, they can be older than you also, but if they disrespect you, you are being called to cut the cords with those friends and family members who disrespect you. Give yourself respect. Move away from the situations, the toxic people. In the third week, you are going to be in contact with some toxic people. Cut your cords with them and give yourself respect. Angels of the four directions. You are very spiritual, dear friends. This pile of mine is very spiritual, very much connected to divine. And especially I want to tell you that alongside the Ascendant Master Hilarion, you have the Archangel Michael and Archangel Gabriel helping you in the month of January 2021 to manifest your greatest desire in your spiritual works. You call upon Archangel Michael and Archangel Gabriel to help you manifest your desires. Oh my god, dear friends, you are spiritual. You can be a pile of my spiritual healers. Fairies are also very well connected with you. They say you have a strong bond with the fairies and your life purpose involves helping Mother Earth. Wonderful. So, dear friends, you are being called upon to connect more with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia. So you need to do more of grounding. You need to plant more flowers in your garden. Go out in the nature and plant more trees. Something that you can do with for Mother Earth, Mother Nature is going to really help you. You are very well connected with fairies. Mother Earth is also very well connected with you. So you have Mother Earth and fairies connected with you, Ascendant Master Hilarion, and all the Ascendant Masters of the four directions, especially Archangel Michael and Archangel Gabriel, are by your side. Successful funding. Yes, dear friends, your wish fulfillment. If you were hoping for some kind of a bank loan to be granted to you, or some kind of a funding, some kind of financial benefit that you were expecting for charitable institutions, if you are expecting some kind of funding, it is going to come to you. The card says your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you the idea. Do not allow money concerns to prevent you from turning it into reality. Crowdfunding, partnerships and other investments are available to help you. So you are going to be helped by the divine. Successful funding is going to come to you. Crowdfunding is going to happen towards you. Partnerships and other investments are going to be available to you. Divine is going to help you for whatever investment help you were looking for yourself. You are going to be blessed from the divine in the month of January 2021. A blessing on a home. Beautiful, dear friends. Yes, you are going to feel blissful at your home. It is also possible that many of you still wish to work from home in the year of 2021, and you are being given this opportunity to stay at home and work, and you you have beautified your home in some way. You have been working, you did some renovations in your home, an additional family member has come in your home. Maybe there is some kind of a pet, you are developing some kind of a garden, kitchen garden, most probably growing flowers or vegetables. Some kind of a blessing is coming on your home. There is going to be love, peace and harmony in your home environment, and you are absolutely feeling blissful and happy about it. You're enjoying thoroughly well in your home environment. For some of my friends, it is possible that you are being funded for, you wanted to invest in a property to make your own home, and you are being granted funds from the institutes, from your friends, from your partners to to begin the sorry friends, begin the construction in your home. A fiery climax approaches. Yes, dear friends, you are at the end of number 9. Tells me that you're heading towards the end of a karmic cycle, and the month of January is just the last month wherein you are ending a certain cycle and you're beginning something new, wherein your wish is going to be granted, your long desired wish, that is your second chance you're going to get in the month of January. Very beautiful creative expression. Yes, dear friends, this reading is for all of my friends who are going to heal their heart chakra and their sacral chakra in the month of January 2021. So they are going to become very creative. Their sexuality is going to shine. They are going to become very charismatic. If there was problem in childbirth, for some people that is going to heal. Other people are going to find their love partners. Anyways, you're going to feel very creative, very blissful in this month. You're going to do a lot of creative activities, and your life purpose involves doing creative activities. So your soul longs to express itself creatively. So do some kind of creative activity in the month of January 2021. Either you can pursue learning music, that is very creative for you. Do dancing, do painting. You can also be a creative person who can start a YouTube channel or a Facebook, some kind of a page of your creativity. Something creative you're going to do now. I don't know, that everything is even cooking is doing something creative. So it is also possible for some of you. Home decor, doing something creative in your home is going to heal you. So it is very beautiful energy, and I wish that you pursue creativity in the month of January 2021, which is further going to open your sacral chakra, which is going to bring you all the pleasures of earth towards you, enjoyment. So I wish all my friends, whoever chose pile number 3, all the best. You have a very, very beautiful, blissful month. You're going to thoroughly enjoy in your home, with your friends, your family. Your sacral chakra, your heart chakra is healed. So now it is becoming very easy for you to find like-minded people. Before you were coming in contact with people who were using you, but now your family, your friends, you're only connecting with people who understand your soul purpose, you as a person, and this is bringing you soulful joy. And there is something that you are doing in the month of January which is bringing you a lot of joy and content, and I feel that something in your home environment is changing and a wish is being granted. So thank you very much, pile number 3, and I wish all my friends on Healing Souls a very, very happy January 2021. And if you resonate with this reading, or if you resonated with the reading that I did for the month of December 2020, you can give us comment below in the comment box as it inspires us. Thank you very much, dear friends.